What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be fixing a noisy shop vac by oiling the bearings. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to this one. So we're going to be working on this rigid shop vac today. So it's going to be whining, or listen to this. Or it'll start to whine right when you turn it off as the motor's slowing down, and I've had this happen before. So I'm going to go ahead and oil it because sometimes it can burn out if you let it keep going like this. So let's go ahead and unplug our shop vac, and we're going to take the top off of it. Now on some shop vacs there'll be screws on the top you're going to have to do, but on this one, it looks like we've just got some Phillips heads right here on the bottom underneath. Now when you get that last screw out, we should be able to lift the whole thing off. Alright, now here is our fan, the actual impeller. There is the nut that holds it on. I went ahead and put a little oil on that to try and loosen it up. And there is one lubrication point under here, and the best way to get it off is with like an impact. So let's see if we can't get it off. There we go. So now you're just going to want to put a little 3-in-1 oil in there. Just going to let it go around the shaft. Not too much. Just a couple drops. Soak around the shaft. Alright, I'll let that soak a couple minutes. And the fan blade. Then our nut, tighten it back down. It's good. Maybe a little too tight. Don't want it too tight. Feels about the same resistance as before. Alright, let's try and get to the other side of the motor. Looks like there's some more screws around the rim, so we can get to the top. Alright, now I should be able to lift this apart. Whoa, wasp nest. So here's the top of that bearing we were trying to get to. So go ahead and give it a cleaning on the top. Get all that grease and gunk off. Now we'll take our oil. We're going to put it right on top of the circle right here. Let that soak down through. You can grab the fan on the other side and turn it. Work that oil in. Been soaking a bit. Now I think I will put it back together. And we'll put this back on. Screw it all back together. Sweet, it's not whining anymore, it's really quieted down. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY guys, keep on doing it yourself. Take care.